to this new TouchDesigner project published in Patreon. My Patreon channel. You will find all the details in the caption of this video, and yeah, this project is the pitching. It's actually two projects in one, so one with one sphere and one with two spheres. So we are gonna look at the one with two spheres because it's the same effect but using two spheres, and basically it depicts two crystal balls controlled with your hands. So here we go. These are the spheres. You can move them through the screen, and if you get closer to the Kinect, they'll get bigger, and if you get far from the Kinect, they get smaller, and if they get close to each other, there is this repulsive effect, so that they don't overlap but they repulse each other. So yeah, that's the basic effect. Of course I put some images, but you can also use your own as background, so you will have these other effects. Yeah, but you can place whatever you want, and yeah, this is one from TouchDesigner actually, so yeah. Sorry. And yeah, this other one is using just one sphere but always controlled with one hand. So yeah, yeah, you can find this project on my Patreon channel, and it's basically a plug and play project. So you just need to load TouchDesigner, connect your Kinect sensor, and you're ready to move around your crystal balls with your hands. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my Patreon channel and yeah, download the project. Thank you for your attention, and see you to the next project.